everyone! You are about to go on a unique city adventure with the bitemojo app. This is the best way to experience the city at your own pace and time. Discover the place and stories that make this city unforgettable. Once you download the app, you simply sign in with your email, then you will find your route waiting for you in the toolbar under itineraries. If you have a voucher, enter settings, and type in the voucher number in the claim voucher code line. Press download tour, and now press to start the tour. Don't worry, you can press the start tour button even if you're not starting the tour yet. I recommend you to split the group into roleplay. One group member can read about the interest points. Another member will be the app captain, in charge of navigating. And don't forget to let someone take millions of photos and selfies so you can share this amazing experience. Now that we are fully ready, it's time to start the tour. Let's go. To proceed, move the tickets on the map and follow the red line. The bite stops are marked with pins on the map. Zoom into the map so you can easily see your route and destinations. Reached one of the delicious food spots on your route? Press use and present your bite coupon. Make sure you're physically inside the location. Remember, with every bite you taste, you support a small local business.
Wanna help us more? Tag us on Instagram.
On your way from each bite shop, you will find different points of interest, which are marked by a star. Press the Discover button to find out more. And don't forget to take a selfie. Together you will walk, discover, solve different quizzes and challenges, all while eating great food, and may the best group win. So leave some space in your stomach, turn on your phone to selfie mode, and hit the road. Yalla, let's go!